Hello everyone, welcome back. So guys, in this video we'll be implementing another amazing project with the help of OpenAI called image generation with DALL-E model. So I already showed you OpenAI is having different actually large language model, like different kinds of large language model, like language model, multi-model, okay, image model, like different model actually it is having. So we'll be using another model. This is called actually DALL-E. So DALL-E is having different like version, like DALL-E 2 is there, DALL-E 3 is there. So we can use OpenAI API to access this model. Okay, so let me show you this DALL-E model. So guys, if you go to the OpenAI documentation, so here you will see this DALL-E model. Let me show you. So this is the DALL-E model. So as you can see, DALL-E is having different kinds of let's say version, like DALL-E 3, then DALL-E 2. Okay, so different version it is having, and DALL-E is one of the model actually. It can create actually realistic image from a prompt. Let's say here you will be passing one like text prompt, and with the help of this prompt actually it will generate the image. Okay, the prompt you will be asking the same kinds of image actually it will try to generate, and this would be realistic image. Okay, now let's see how we can use OpenAI API to access this DALL-E model, and let's build one image generator application. So what I will do guys, I have used the same template as I already used in my previous project implementation. I think you remember we are using Flask there. So I used the same template and I just did little bit modification here. So the modification I have done, the entire HTML code. Okay, I've done the modification. So let me show you the application, like how it will look like. Let me clear. Now if I open up my app.py again, so let me go to Google and localhost port number 8080. So guys, you can see this is the interface of my application. So to build this interface, I have actually collected this HTML and CSS code from the Bootstrap website. I think I showed you that Bootstrap website, right? So you don't need to do anything. Only you can change the title and all. Okay, everything you can keep it as default, because you can use this HTML and CSS code as a template. Okay, let's say you want to build any other application with the same template, you can use this code as it is. Okay, if you're not familiar with HTML and CSS code, it's completely fine. You can copy paste from different website. Okay, now the second changes I have done, I've created two route. One is my default route. That means if user is hitting my let's say default route, that means port number 8080, so he will get this kinds of landing page. Okay, and to render the landing page, actually I'm using render template index.html. Okay, and whenever user is giving any kinds of prompt and they're submitting, okay, submitting button, so it will hit this route and it will generate and it will execute this function, and this function will take the prompt, whatever prompt actually user is giving here. I think you can see. Okay, and this prompt will go to the OpenAI DALL-E model. You can see to use the OpenAI DALL-E model, you have to use this code snippet OpenAI.image.create. Okay, now inside that, just try to mention the prompt, number of images you want to generate, just give the number of images and the size of the image. Okay, everything you can set here. Now I'm printing the response as well as and here you can see I'm also rendering on my user interface. Okay, and again I'm running on localhost and port number 8080, and debug is equal to true, means if you are changing anything, this will reflect automatically. Fine. So this is the simple modification I have done guys. Otherwise everything I kept default. Okay, everything I kept default, whatever things we have implemented in our previous project. So yes guys, I think you got it. Using OpenAI is like very easy. Only you just need to know how we can access different model. Rest of the things you can take care. Okay, let's say if you want to create any kinds of application, you have to design how you'll be creating. Okay, otherwise the fundamental will remain same. Now let me show you the demo guys. So what I can do, I can give a prompt here. Let's say I'll give a dog is flying and smoking. Let's say this is my prompt I have given. Let's see whether it is able to generate the image or not. You can give the same prompt in the ChatGPT also. Let me show you. ChatGPT is also using this kinds of image model. Recently they have published one model called GPT-4o. Okay, GPT-4o. So this model is able to actually create this kinds of image. Okay, from your prompt. Now let me pass this prompt. A dog is flying and smoking. See, it is generating two response. And let me see this one. Actually, it has generated. Okay, this is a cartoon version. Even you can also generate the realistic one. Let me show you another prompt. So guys, this is the prompt I have prepared. You can see dream like a beautiful girl playing the festival of color, draped in the traditional Indian, throwing the colors. Okay, now let me send and let me see the response. And if I go to the ChatGPT, see, this is the ChatGPT response. Fine. See, this is the output actually we got. Okay, it's amazing. You can see. So you can give different prompt like that, and you can generate image, and you can also control like how many images you need. So here I mentioned, I think you saw only 5 images. That's why it's giving 5 images. Okay, and you can also mention the size, everything you can mention. So yes guys, this is the application we have developed. I hope you liked it. And now what you can do, you can improve this application, you can add some more functionality. See, I think the previous application we created, that whisper model, what you can do, you can integrate like both application in one place, okay, and you can create a complete platform. Okay, that thing I think you can perform. Okay, this would be a good project for you. So yes guys, this is all about from my side. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and family, and please support the channel guys. If you support the channel, so definitely we'll be bringing up these kinds of content, okay, for you, and you can let us know what kinds of content you want, okay, from my end. I'll try to provide. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.